Hello?
Hello, Chief. What is going on?
What is going on where?
I have been calling your phone and you weren't picking.
I was in a meeting. Is there a problem?
Where are you?
I am in my room. Is there any problem?
Are you alone?
What? Of course, I'm alone.
Chief, who is the girl that just left your room now?
This girl must be very stupid.
Hello? Hello?
What's your business with who left my room?
Chief, they provoke me. If I find out, say this guy chops Ciara, I go off him. I tell you, I go off him.
See, if I were you, I would have forgotten that playboy, Tessy.
Who they call playboy? My chief, now you they call playboy. I don't understand. My girl. Your chief, where you invite girl. He invited the girl on their first meeting. So his bedroom.
Oh.
Waiting him now. He's the playboy, I beg. A playboy.
My engagement is in 2 weeks, and as a friend, I have done everything possible to carry you along in the process. But you seem to be uninterested, and you invited me back on campus. I'm wondering, are you not happy for me?
Ciara, I know about the idiot you intend getting married to. That is why I called you back on campus. I don't want problems. I really don't. I want us to settle this amicably before next semester resumes.
Tessy, you just referred to my fiancé as an idiot. That is so uncharitable. I would excuse you just to hear what you have to say about him. So, shoot.
I call him an idiot. He curves. He is my ex.
What are you blabbing? You don't even know my fiancé.
Really?
Yeah.
Raymond is his name, right? That idiot. Worse. My ex.
Tessy, that is not possible. You know why? I know you. I know all your men. I know the men you sample both in campus and off campus. My man, Raymond Okoro, is not a part of them.
Ciara, it is an insult to me for you to nurse the thought of getting married to my ex. I am not here to gamble with you or to negotiate with you. I want you to call that engagement off. Do that before your girls come back to see how classless and useless you are. Sweetheart, it's for your own good.
Hey, you wait there, Tessy. Tessy, you are a mischievous person. Yes, I know you hate to see me happy. I also know that you created this nonsense just to make me hate my man. But newsflash, girl, this is failed completely. Can you imagine me call off my engagement because of this crap? Tessy, my engagement goes on. If you choose not to be a part of it, remain in your lane. Goodness. Tessy.
Ciara, the fool that calls herself my friend. You have not seen anything yet.
Hello, Raymond. Where are you? Yes, I'm back on campus. I need to come see you now because we need to talk. Problem? Well, that would depend on your answers to my questions. Yes, I know the place. Okay, I'll be with you in 10 minutes. Is that okay? All right, bye-bye. Baby, how could you do this? How could you keep something as sensitive as this away from me?
I don't understand. And keep what?
You kept all of this a secret, making me look like an idiot. It's totally unfair.
I still don't understand.
That you, Raymond, dated my best friend Tessy. Is that not serious enough for you to tell me? You intend to get married to me and you keep such of vital information away from me. Raymond.
Baby, I did not know Tessy, your friend, when I met you. How was I supposed to know she's your best friend? Besides, I'm over with Tessy.
Raymond, as much as I believe you, I still need to ask you some questions. And please, try to be sincere with me, because the answers are very important. Do you still feel any sort of love for Tessy? I know my friend Tessy, she never lets go. Please, Raymond, I know that I am in love with you, but whatever the answer is that you give to me, I will still understand and take a walk. Okay? So, tell me, Raymond, is there something you want to tell me?
Let me just tell you the truth.
Okay.
I'm in love with you. I'm still in love with you, baby. Were you expecting I was going to mention another woman's name? You know I love you and I love you so much. You know I'm getting married to you soon. And what does that tell you?
Well, it does tell me something. But at the same time, come on. Marriage is not a show of love. I know that. I'm not a child. Besides, people get married for different reasons. People marry for convenience, for merger, for accusation, contract, fame, name it, baby. You know it, don't you?
Baby, I am marrying for love. Marrying you will make me the luckiest man. Besides, you're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. You know I love you. Oh, come on here. What exactly do you want from me? And what is it that you told my fiancé?
What else? I told her that she wants to eat the meat I stopped chewing. I only and truthfully reminded her that you are my ex-lover.
Tessy, you and I are over. I won't watch you play games with my happiness. Please, stay away from us.
I agree it will be over with us. But let's meet one last time. There is something I must tell you.
Tessy, just go ahead and talk to me. We don't need to see each other again.
Raymond, what I need to say to you is very important. And I cannot tell you over the phone. I want us to talk and see face to face. I promise this will be the last time I will ever have to set my eyes on you.
Okay. I'm in my office.
I'll see you right there.
Look who I have here.
You're dressed to kill. So what's the occasion?
Raymond. Tell me you're not missing all of this.
I am only speaking with you because you said you had something important to say to me face to face. So what is it?
Raymond, you cannot get married to Sierra. I want you to call the engagement off.
What? And why?
Raymond. Raymond, you can marry any other girl. Not my best friend. Not Sierra. What do you think people would think of me? Oh, that you left me for Sierra because I'm not a wife material or I'm not good enough? Is that what you want?
And only narrow-minded people like you will think about such. You know, people date and sometimes it doesn't work out. I love Sierra. And your reason for me not to marry her is not strong enough.
Raymond, we were in love. We used to be in love. What went wrong? Anyways, I can't be caught in the act of begging for a man to love me. I'm bigger than that. I mean, I'm way, way bigger than that. But I need a favor from you. Just one, please.
And what is it?
I want us to get together one last time. Privately.
Why can't you understand that it's over between you and I, between us?
Raymond, I am not asking us to be lovers again. That's not what I'm asking for. What I want is just one more time with you. And I will release you to Sierra. Raymond.
Listen,
we used to be lovers. We used to be in love. What went wrong?
And I'll be cheating on Sierra.
Oh.
Besides, I don't know the game you're trying to play. But I know I cannot trust you.
Tessy? Tessy and Raymond?
Oh. Why do you make this appear as if I'm heartless?
Of course you are.
But I'm not.
You are, Raymond. Do you know how I feel? Do you know the pain you make me go through? And after everything I've been through, you look at me in the eye and tell me you don't trust me?
But I didn't mean it that way. I'm sorry.
Then let me have what I want. Raymond, give me what I want. Please. Listen to me, Raymond. I promise you I will never tell Sierra. This is just one last time. Unless you tell her yourself, because I will not.
Tessy, will you stop? My fiancé is already suspicious of us. And I wouldn't want to give her any reason to call off this engagement. We are over. I just want you to move on to.
Remember how we used to do it then? Do you remember how you used to touch me? Do you remember how you scream and shout my name? Do you remember every... Mm. 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 Mm.
you do that for? You are asking for what you and I know that you will never get.
I'm sorry I pushed you, Raymond, but you deserved it. Raymond, I know your baby boy will be fighting to come out right now, but I'm sorry to disappoint him. One last message. If I don't get you, Sierra will never. Excuse me, baby boy. Excuse me.
What an obsessed witch!
Hello. I need you to stop the ongoing arrangements towards this engagement. The engagement has just been called off. Yes, the reason is because it is none of your business. You were contracted for a job, your contract is terminated. You stop working now. I will pay you for the time that you have worked.
What is this I'm hearing?
Raymond, why are you calling me?
Why did you call off the engagement?
You asking me why I called off the engagement? Like, seriously? You know what? You cease to have the privilege of discussing plans and opportunities with me. The moment you decided to kiss my best friend.
At least we need to meet again for us to discuss this.
I guess all this while you've been going around calling me a fool while messing around with my friend.
I never called you a fool.
The engagement is over. That's all you need to know. And please, do not call my number again.
I can explain.
Bye-bye.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can see someone is very angry. Do you mind sharing with an old friend?
Tessy, in life, I have watched you played with my favorite toys and even destroyed them. I replaced them and took a walk without punishing you. But not when you play with my life, my happiness, my joy. Tessy, you are going to be punished this time, I promise you.
Sierra, am I supposed to be scared of you? I am not afraid of you. Do you understand that? I mean, who could ever believe that it will take a man to unleash the animal in you? Are you tired of playing your angelic status? Are you?
Tessy, you have brought out the devil in me.
Oh.
You just succeeded in bringing out the demon in me. You be prepared because I, Tiara, I will consume you. You just step on the tail of the lion and you will be consumed.
Oh, shut up. Just shut up. All you do is talk and no action. You know what you should be doing right now? I want you to crawl under your bed, little Sierra. Cry because your boyfriend is lost gone. I said so.
Hey, Tessy.
That's my name.
Wherever you go in life, I, Sierra, I will be there. I will be your shadow. In your days of laughter, I, Sierra, I will make you cry, Tessy. In your days of advancement as well, I will be your downfall. Watch out for me, girl, because wherever you go in life, I will be your shadow. I will make sure you pay. You will suffer, Tessy. You will suffer. I promise you.
I will be waiting for you.
Bitch.
Bitch!
You are the fucking bitch, Tessy! You are a bitch! Fuck you, Tessy!
You know what? If care is not taking, I will marry your father if you don't take time, and you will be my stepdaughter, I promise you.
Sierra, what was all the noise all about? What? Okay. This is a way of letting us know that you went shopping. Or is it a way of letting us know that you have replaced Raymond? Let me ask you something. Did you ever love him? Did you?
Joy! Almost see things.
Can't you just respect yourself for once? Respect yourself now.
Well, Tessy. You know what? I'm only going to answer you for a reason best known to me. As for the things you see here, you can call this an act of benevolence by my father. Oh my God. Talking about Raymond. He is long replaced. And that's because I, Sierra, I do not eat leftover meals, especially one eaten by you. So, if you're done, baby girl, you take your sorry self out of my house. Please excuse me, girls.
Sierra, my father considered hiring your father, but he just feels
That he cannot pay my father? Tessy, you're so laughable. Please, darling, do not overrate yourself. My father actually considered hiring your father. You know what, Tessy? You're just a little girl. A little girl who thinks that she's still in charge. But you're just a loser. Excuse me.
do not be too fast to announce your victory. Because you see this game, I will win.
Can you at least leave?
Exactly. Leave so that you avoid unnecessary fight here.
Sierra, you see this game? You will never win. You are just a loser, trust me.
Tessy. This game is impossible.
Impossible is not the word. They are looking for a way to fight, and we must avoid them. Please let me hold this.
Wow!
Hey! Rubbish. These are the kind of things I like to see. Sarah has made money. You see those things she bought? Those things are worth millions of naira.
I bet you rest the millions of naira.
Hey!
You don't enter boutique for millions of naira. If you don't know anything, I bet sit down. Sit down. I'm sure you stand and shout. Sarah made money. Which money?
She don't make
Which
money.
money?
She don't make money.
That's the way Papa get money. She stand they jump, they talk. Sarah made money. She fit jump like that, talk because of you. Which money? My dear, that her heart when they break. So the Papa go don't arrange some kind of consolation fee give her. They don't dash her money and say about those cheap things. Say Sarah has made money. How much? How much?
When I take her easy, I beg. But Tessy, what was that look on your faces? You and Sierra. I know you both used to be in competition, but it was healthy. I wanna come dey look myself with those wish eye today. What happened?
You talk like 3 years old became no make sense. This one just they jump like a baka. Babe, that girl is jealous of me. It is not today, not today things. She wants, in fact, she's beefing me. She wants to do competition with me. Every single thing I do, she always wants to come first. Why? Why? Is it my fault that my father is rich? Is it my fault that I am blessed and I have grace on me? Is it my fault?
No, not be your fault.
We'll just give up to her. She don't hammer. Abi?
You just say am.
So now I will slap you. We'll fight now. We'll fight now. Before you get body pass, let me say you feel it. I'll slap you.
Listen, Monica. There is something they are not telling us.
That's true. Sarah, I know you will not allow Tessy to ruin your day. I mean, you bought beautiful things for yourself. You need to be happy.
Tessy and her cheap self. I really do not want to waste my time talking about Tessy. Okay. You know, my dad felt I would be pained by what happened, so he decided to make it up.
You don't mean it. Please, can we exchange daddies for 1 week? Huh? 1 week is not too much for you to manage my dad. Why I play those activities? Just 1 week. I will not go beyond.
Silly girl. Our dads are no toys. They can be exchanged. Besides, I do not wish to exchange my dad. No thanks.
Hey, Sarah, wait. I'm still talking about you and Tessy. There's this beef between you guys. What's up? Just us now. What's happening?
Honestly, I do not wish to waste my time talking about Tessy. Tessy is a very cheap girl. She's a low life with little or no charisma.
I have not heard you talk about her like this before. Something must have really happened between both of you during the holidays. Tell us more. I mean, we're friends.
Tell us little.
As for me, I would not talk. Just,
Just little. The topic, just begin it.
Wait a minute. Tessy, did you actually mean it when you said you were going to slap me? For what?
For being stupid. Yes. Listen, I don't like this fight. I don't enjoy it when we argue. I know Sarah will be happy upstairs. Listen, girls, as sisters, let us identify whatever will make us have problems and avoid it. Is that too much to ask?
Okay. Now, can you explain to me what you mean by our shopping was from consolation money?
If I tell you I won't slap you now, you say, I didn't misbehave, I don't need talking me again. Maybe as usual. You're too slow in catching up. Like, the IQ is so low. And that really pisses me. Okay, let me explain. Sarah was about getting married to my boss. And you all know she has been the one forcing herself on him. Yes. This guy keeps calling me that he loves me. He keeps disturbing me. I don't love him anymore. Somehow she got to find out. And then she called the wedding off. How is that my fault? How is that my fault?
Tess, why do I find it so difficult to believe what you just said now? How am I even sure that you're not the cause of the breakup?
How dare you? How dare you doubt me? You think I'm lying? Oh, you think I will go back to a meal I have already vomited simply because Sierra wants to eat it? I don't care.
So, she ended up her marriage and her father wired good money into her account just to console her. Wow, what a daddy.
What kind of rubbish daddy is that? What's a daddy? What kind of rubbish daddy is that? You see my dad? My daddy do not want to even see a tear in my eyes. But you won't understand because your papa will be like that. I think your fathers don't have money. You won't understand, but my daddy he doesn't even want to see me cry.
Tessy, this stuff only you want to little resemble his socks much more.
Just hold yourself, Tessy.
What's it about this one now?
Just take time, they tell my friends the truth too. And they no one accept her.
Let's
Very small truth.
Some of love really ready to see.
Hey. If I don't understand, this way they sound like Baba chair. Wait till they will call now. Wait till they stop.
I need you to do me a favor.
Me?
Yes, you.
What favor?
I need you to keep a close mark on Tessy. I need to know everywhere she goes. I need to know the people she's meeting with.
Wait, you mean Monica should help you stalk her? Isn't that a crime?
Oh, please. I prefer to call that a victimless crime. Tessy's not going to be in trouble for being followed. Besides, she's never going to know that she's been followed. I just need to know her new flavors, the people she's meeting with, and what she does.
Now I don't dey convinced say una two get gbege. Una two dey fight. Babe,
two of us are your close friends now. Just us. What did they stop? What did they all call now? Just us. You only told us that your father gave you plenty money just to make you happy. That's not enough now. Just us.
Seriously. After all I've done for you, you can't do me this whiny, tiny little favor? Oh, you know what? Forget about it. Okay? You just forget I ever asked.
It has not gotten to that.
Tessy, you have still not told us the reason for this excitement.
Tell us now. Or have you won the lottery?
I haven't won the lottery yet. When I do, girls, trust me, you will be the first to know. Anyways, I want to take a walk out. The weather is so calm. I mean, it's sexy, it's beautiful. And I want to take a walk. When I mean I want to take a walk, girl, you know what I mean, yeah? Don't mind me, please, don't mind me. Anyways, I left some money in the bedroom. I want you guys to cook. Cook a very delicious meal. Something you know I can eat. I wouldn't want my money to go to the waste. You know what I mean? I'm going out, I'll see you girls later. Excuse me.
Sonia, do you understand what that means? She has automatically turned us into her cooks. Can you imagine that?
I can't believe I'm friends with such a bitch. I mean, sometimes whenever she opens her mouth to speak, I feel like cutting the life out of her.
Sonia, I can tell you that Tessy ruined Sierra's engagement. Yes, I mean, how possible is it that Raymond left Sierra for Tessy? No, that's not possible.
You're right. Juju, I mean voodoo, is the only logical explanation to why Raymond left Sierra for Tessy. Yes.
Yes, I believe you. You're absolutely correct.
I'm here. What do you have for me?
I have vital information on Tessy. She's meeting with one Chief Thompson, a multi-millionaire. Rumor has it that he's being groomed to become a president someday.
Wow. That's a new flavor. No wonder she goes about the campus like a peacock. Look, I need you to keep a close eye on her. Okay?
Sarah, how do you guys do this? How do you guys do it? I mean, it's one thing to meet a big fish. It's another thing to keep him. And then it's a whole big deal to make him spend good money on you guys. I want to learn. Teach me. What's going on? How are you guys doing it?
Monica, the strategy here is you have to focus on Tessy. And not ask me questions about how the bitch gets her man. Okay? I need you to give me every information about this her flavor. Okay? Good girl.
This girl really trying.
Girl, you look smart.
My girl, I beg wait. Make you carry me follow body now. Make you carry me follow body now. Where you know where they go? Well, babe, this is my private worker, babe.
It doesn't really matter, babe. See, as you see me here, I didn't ready to carry your hand back because I know say friends they meet their destiny through their friends. Babe, I be no be so.
No. My sister, I know. But friends should still understand there is something like private worker. No before this one. You hear me? Hey, babe. If you see the guy where I meet, Pepe rest. Guy will die. That's why they do like this. Happy sister.
Now this kind of sister they like. Oh.
Come here for this 10K paroa they do. Make a sister step from 0 to something. That's not achievement.
You.
Happy sister, help our lives.
I won't help you.
Don't be sad, we won't help. But grace in my head. I don't get luck now. You know the same anywhere where I go now, so things will just do well. Everywhere will just they say I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Okay, if I carry on and go that place now, so what if nothing happen as usual?
Ha!
I just blessing. They need struggle for him now. You people need to be blessed like me. Eh? Babe, if you see what I won't collect from this guy, by the time I collect this money finish, Sierra will be forced to go into hiding. When I go back, go ahead.
But come on, wait. What does she mean by we need to be blessed? Is she calling us curse?
I have suffered.
Hey!
My girl, that sounds like polite insult to me. Make you check am, balance am. Now what did I get carried now where we no get? Check am now, check am, everything there.
I been at the punani.
Pay me oh.
I mean the same thing.
This one pay me. You pay me well. Listen now. Are you sure we're not really cursed?
Curse? Ha!
Hello, Bridget. How are you? I would like you to give me Chief Thompson's number. I have a friend who was a journalist. She would love to interview him. You know, this will really be good for his political ambition. Oh, you will? Thank you so much. Well, you send me your account number before I change my mind. Bye-bye. Thank you.
What do you want to use Chief Thompson's number to? Is that not Tessy's latest flavor? Babe, I don't know you to be stealing people's boyfriends.
I mean, Monica is right. Such action is beneath your status, Sierra.
Well, for this ones, I am condescending low. Okay? Just like Tessy. Because Tessy knows that going low is not my style. So she feels she can always do and undo and get away with it. But not this time. I will punish Tessy.
Sierra, you've not still told us what happened during the vacation. The thing doesn't really hurt your ego so bad.
You know what, girls? I am not talking about this. But what I need you girls to do, especially you, is you just keep in focus. Stay close to Tessy, and that will be fine. Thank you girls for your understanding.
Yes, what's this?
Good afternoon, Chief. My name is Bridget. I met you about 2 months ago during a flight to Abuja.
I can't remember that. I actually meet a lot of people on daily basis. Can you give me more details, please?
Actually, on that day, I admired the cap that you wore. I also complimented the material for your outfit. I introduced myself to you as a journalist who wanted to write a piece about you to inspire the younger generation. Well, if you grant me the opportunity, I would really love to interview you, hear your story, and write about it.
That would be awesome, Bridget. You know, okay, then I like the sound of that. You know, people like us who are in politics, we always allow any kind of publicity that can, give us advantage to score political points. So I will ask you to meet me at the Golden Launch tomorrow by 3 p.m. I don't know if that is okay by you.
Oh, perfect, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I promise you won't regret this.
Okay, then. Meet you there. Bye.
Thank you.
You said what? How much? Send it now. Send it. When? I'll call. I'll call you by that too, but you will not sleep. Okay, no problem. I am not. Okay, bye bye. Oh, James. James will never stop. Let me call this Yaya Peter. Oh no, let me call Keke. That guy is just a promise and fail goat. Hello? Yes, Keke. I can hear you now. Since this morning now, why you dey do like this? It's 1.5 from 1.5 to 1 million. Or you send the 1 million first. Man, just get the alert. Man knows I get them first. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
You don't finish?
Yes, what's happening?
First, let me see what you dey do. But how you dey manage dey know you no dey miss am? You know if you call Paul Peter or call Paul Solomon, how do you do it?
I don't understand. I don't know what you're talking about.
What I mean is, these people they keep increasing. Instead of losing some to stranger, why not pass some to me? They increase every day, different one.
Madam Taker, I don't have boyfriends to share. I don't understand. Why should I even share a man? Wait. It means if you have the opportunity, you will steal my boyfriend.
Now, Tessy. Why are you exaggerating things? Don't be ridiculous. I will never snatch or steal any man from you. It's not possible.
Babe, I don't date men for nothing. The one way they pay for my vacation, that one they different. I know they disturb them. And he know. Only one. Is it too much? Okay, the one where they do my hair, my human hair. That one day, and if not be hair, nothing. Only one no. Okay. This guy with the America where they send me back. They send me at least some kind of small designers when they send. Come, that thing they do for me. Then they give me money. Finish. Putting again. I don't get extra. I don't get pay. Shouldn't be may I give you boyfriend.
Wow. Yes. Take it easy. There are plenty. You not just one shit. Oh.
Wait first. Let me say, as you did like this now, so you fit with my boyfriend. Now go thief number from my phone because that's not what they do.
Yes, I have to manage my 10K for this lady.
Chief, you know, when you said we were going to meet at the Golden Lounge, I actually thought we'd be meeting up at the bar. I'm quite surprised that we ended up in a room.
Why are you surprised? Listen, girl, this is my private room where I conduct all my private businesses. Let me surprise you. I have been maintaining this room since the Golden Lounge was opened. No one else has ever entered there.
Wow. That's so impressive, I must say. You know, you politicians, you have lots of money to throw around.
And that is exactly what is going to happen in your life, my beautiful journalist. You know, I am still surprised at myself that I came in contact with someone like you at the airport and I forgot. Something must be wrong with me that day because there is no normal man that will forget your type.
Wow.
I believe you know what I mean.
Chief.
Beautiful
Wow.
journalist. Look at what she has. Everything. I like what I'm seeing.
Well, thank you for your kind words. I must say that you're really, generous with your words. I'm humbled.
And I want to equally believe you will be generous in giving me this privilege to see you again and again and again and get to know you. You know what I'm talking about? I really want to spoil you, make you feel like a woman. I believe you understand, give you that kind of protection you need as a woman, Okay.
Chief, but I have a boyfriend, and my boyfriend, he spoils me just fine.
And can you allow me to spoil you too? So you will be in a better position to know who spoils the better. Let me tell you something. Seriously, I am not joking here. If I should have a woman like you in my life, there is no way I will allow her move around this country considering the things that are happening without escort. Your so-called boyfriend cannot even do that. That simply means he's already lagging behind. He's nowhere to be found. And I want you to make a statement, a decision right here and right now that you don't need that kind of man in your life. You need somebody who can provide you with the security you need, and that person is right here. I-
Sorry, Chiboy.
Yeah, hello. Who? Ah, I'm sorry, I don't know who is speaking. I cannot remember hiring a private investigator. What do you want? I do not have 50,000 to pay for any information. Chief Thompson. Yes, I know him. Now listen to me. Whatever Chief Thompson does is not my business. In fact, he should carry all the girls in this world. I don't care. As long as he gives me what I want. Sarah. Sarah Bryan. Okay, now I'm willing to pay.
Forget about this call. I know exactly the person that is calling me, and I don't want to pick the call. Why are you sitting down there as if you are here with a stranger? Come over to this list. She'll be somewhere here by now. You don't think so?
Chief, is that your girlfriend calling?
My girlfriend? I never told you I have a girlfriend, please. Listen, you were saying something about writing an article to help my political career. Yeah. Can we talk about that?
How dare you, Sarah? Sarah, how dare you mess with the meal on my table? How dare you?
You know what, Tessy? You are so pathetic. Chief, your chief invited me into his private room. I was right there when you were calling. He was trying to get me into his bed. But, I don't do sugar daddies.
You think I don't know what you're doing, you witch? Now you want to mess with the meal on my table. I will not allow that. Sarah. Sarah, you go so far. Sarah, you go so far. Sarah, I said you go so far. You hear me, ba? You know playing dirty is not your style. You know that, right?
Oh, I'm shaking, Tessy. I'm so scared. You're wrong. Plain dirty is my new style. So whatever you have, bring it on the table. Okay? Because hell is what I have planned for you, bitch.
We shall see.
Bring it on. You know what, girl? Thank you very much for your help. It was successful, trust me.
No, thank you. Tessie paid 50,000 naira to access that information. It's a waste to invest. Wait. Don't wait. Monica, you're such a crazy girl. So you collected money for this? Waiting be my name. Monica. Yeah, money na 5 and 6. Oh,
Oh, Tessy.
Hello?
Hello, Chief. What is going on?
What is going on where?
I have been calling your phone and you weren't picking.
I was in a meeting. Is there a problem?
Where are you?
I am in my room. Is there any problem?
Are you alone?
Of course, I'm alone.
Chief, who is the girl that just left your room now?
This girl must be very stupid.
Hello? Hello?
What's your business with who left my room?
Oh. Chief, they provoke me. If I find out, say this guy chops Ciara, I go off him. I tell you, I go off him.
See, Tessy, if I were you, I would have forgotten that playboy, Tete.
Who you call playboy? My chief, now you call playboy. I don't understand. My girl. Your chief, where you invite girl. He invited the girl on their first meeting. So his bedroom.
Oh.
Waiting him now. He's the playboy, I beg. A playboy.
Baby. You're simply the best. You can imagine how happy I am, to have received the alert of 3 million naira that you sent to me. I'm very, very grateful, baby. I'm super excited. This money that you sent today, it's perfect timing. It will be more than just enough for what I have planned for today. Because I intend to pay a visit to an orphanage today, just to boost my charity profile. Yeah. Baby, it's now a trend. A lot of people, especially ladies who belong in my class, they've made it a recent trend to always visit, orphanages. Yeah, it helps to actually boost your profile. Yeah. So, baby, I can't wait to have you back from Abuja. I you cannot handle what I have planned for you upon arrival. I promise to give you a night that you will never forget. Yeah. Okay, so baby, I'm just briefly dashing out of my house to get something done quickly. Oh, my darling. Thank you so much. You're the best. Yes. Oh.
hate this girl. I hate her with the last drop of my blood. The more I try to tolerate her, the more it dawns on me that I will hate her forever. Gosh.
And who are you talking about?
Who else? It's Ciara. I mean, how can a girl who makes a living through sleeping with men conceive the thought of visiting the orphanage? The orphans? Ah, I pity those children.
Was it Ciara that told you she was visiting the orphanage? Wow, that's nice.
What is nice? Why are you like this? Why are you her fan? Don't forget I pay your bills in this house, and I am the one paying for the bed you're freaking sleeping on. You always want to support a fool that wants to destroy me. Why?
Hey. I don't even know what to say anymore.
Tessy, were you not the one that said she was going to the orphanage? So how does that translate to trying to destroy you?
You don't get it, do you? She's trying so much to be like me. She wants to be like me, and she will never be like me. Not even in this campus.
Tessy, I am trying to understand what that means. Because you've never been to the orphanage.
I have done more than that. You don't even know me. Why am I even talking to you girls? I will just call the ministry that is in charge to stop her. That will never happen. Well, I did. Well, now she's sabi. She can't even make me start hating someone that is doing so well for the community. It's not possible.
Able God. Father, I want to make this money. I want the kind of money that wherever I go, I create sins. I want the money that would make my friends to respect me. Look at Sarah. Even the dean of faculty respects her. Oh Lord, show me the river her mother took her to go and bath her. I want to see that river because I want to go to that river. I need that money. Father, I need that money.
I have been asking myself the same. This girl is happening. Huh? Who is this guy in particular? I heard that he's out of the country. Just last week here, he credited her account with 5 million naira.
You don't say.
I mean, what did Ciara do to watch all this? What?
Abi, God they form when those men they do her. Because I don't understand. Why would they be giving her plenty money now?
Maybe he's a drug dealer, or maybe he's a ritualist. Because the amount of money they are spending on Ciara is a lifetime investment.
Babe, what if now I get they high on jazz? Juju. Think am now. No man in his right senses would be giving a lady such amount of money. They are really spoiling her. God.
Ciara is the talk of the campus. Her name is in the lips of everyone, male, female, lecturers, and even administrative staff. She has earned everyone's respect and is treated with fear. They call her the most influential babe. Hell no, 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 no. That should be my title. I am Tessy Jones. I should be feared and respected. Money, class, wealth, I have everything, and I will beat her to this game. She will be a loser. I, Tessy Jones, will be the name on every lips in this campus. Ciara, by the time I am done with you, you will bury your face in shame, trust me.
Hello, baby. Good evening. I'm not fine. Baby, the time has come for you to prove to me that you really love me. Baby, I need to re-announce myself on campus. I need some money. Yes. Baby, I need some money to buy some designer suits for the head of department's lecturers. Yes. Some girls are already doing that. I can't be left out. Baby, nobody can beat me to this game. You know that. I will not allow anybody beat me. Yes. Like 2 million naira. No. I need to buy some things too. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay then. I'll call you back. Okay. I love you too. Bye. See them. Hey, you call yourselves friends with Ciara. How come she's making so much money and you guys don't even have anything to show for yourselves? See them.
This is sport calling kettle black. All you guys do is to follow Tessy like flies around campus. If she says her hand's hot, you guys will go carry her hand back. Why don't you talk about yourselves?
Are you saying you're anything better than us? Look at this useless Rose girls. See, let me tell you something. The destruction that will hit you will make nonsense of whatever you feel you enjoy. Face the discussion on ground and leave our personal lives out of it. Hey! We are happy for our friend. She's happening. She is the talk of everyone's. So let me tell you, real friends celebrate their friends' success and not to compete with them. Use your head.
Lily, tell them because they don't know what real friendship is all about. Shameless girls. Tessy's housemates. Here talking about achievements when all they have successfully achieved in life is feeding Tessy.
Yes! Run errands for Tessy!
All I see is jealousy, yeah. See, all I see is jealousy, yeah. All I see is jealousy, yeah.
Well. Someone is looking frustrated today. But then again, I ask myself, is there ever a day that she's not looking frustrated?
Ciara, obviously you are the one looking frustrated here. Soon, and very soon, girl, your cup will be full and I will be there to mete out jungle justice on you. Trust me. And by the time you get caught, I will be there to light fire on your bomb.
Tessy,
that's my name.
You know what? If I say that I have an idea or a clue of what you just said, that will be me flattering you, baby girl. But I don't have time for this nonsense just parting out of your mouth today.
You think I don't know what you do? You think I don't know how you lock these men in bottles and take their senses and let them do your bidding for you? You think I don't know? I know every single thing. But I, Tessy Jones, I will not just expose you, but I will disgrace you and let everybody know for the juju princess that you are.
Wow! Did you just call me a princess?
Juju princess.
Oh, don't worry, it doesn't matter. Baby girl, you just acknowledged me as a princess. And that's a very good start. Tessy, let me watch you try to bring me down. Okay? Bring it on! Whatever you've got, bring it on. Set up, frame up, whatever. But be rest assured that whatever you bring on the table, I'm going to give you 10 times of your own medicine. Well, if you will excuse me, I have an appointment to keep. But this time, baby, it's not juju related. Goodbye. Oh my god, she's so funny.
You see what you've caused? You see what you've caused? I told you that that girl is into rituals and she's not ready to give the orphans any single thing, but you will not listen to me. But you know what? Because of this now, she's trying to feel that her profile is higher than mine, and that will not happen. I will stop all of you, don't worry. Excuse me.
There are people who roam this path. Yeah? And by the grace of the Almighty God that I serve, I am one. You see that stupid girl, Ciara? No matter how hard she tries, she will never, ever, even in her future, see my back. Let me talk about it.
Has this anything to do with the trending news online that he went to the orphanage home to make a donation?
Donation. Not just that, girl. With what I have done today, I have changed the lives of those kids. Yes, I did. Girls, not by speaking English and with what I have done today, I have cancelled her records.
Tessy, please, do not misunderstand me. I think you're the one competing with Ciara. Yes, but the girl is just on her own, doing her thing without minding what anybody will say. Why you stress yourself?
No plan. That girl is dumb. She only knows how to speak English. Only English, that is all she knows how to do. She finds out what I want to do and she goes ahead of me to do it. She has nothing in her head. But you see that lousy girl? By the time I am done with her on this campus, I will cut her into bits.
Competition.
Maybe smart.
Ciara, you're the only one who is bothered about Tessy. I mean, she's a nobody. She just wants to be like you, for all I care. But I know she can never be like you. You have a good heart. Monica, I am not even bothered about Tessy. For goodness sake, Tessy. Oh my word. You know what? I would rather we don't sit here and discuss Tessy. Because Tessy is a nobody. She's a low life. And when reasonable people like you and I sit down to discuss non-entities and low lives like Tessy, it gives them some sort of relevance, which I don't want to. But you just told me about the instructions that she gave. But why would anyone ask a boutique owner not to sell his wares? But our instructions amounted to nothing. I still went in there and I shopped anyways. Please, I do not want us to discuss Tessy. Period. Hey, wait now. Why don't you call Tessy? Sit her down and ask her to explain to you exactly what she wants. Monica! Tessy wants nothing. Tessy is a nobody. And she will amount to nothing in the end. For crying out loud. Can we not just talk about Tessy, please?
No, can't be. And why are you admiring my sneakers? This is a Macacos, baby. Macacos MK. Look at it. Original stamp desk. Well stamped.
And where did you get those?
Of course, the most expensive boutique in town, Harris and Milton. I got the original one, girl. Where did you get a fake one from? Must you always wear fake things to measure up with me? Must you?
You must be sick to refer to mine as fake. Do you have an idea of how much I paid for this?
Sweetheart, you paid nothing, and you are nothing. Sarah, I will deal with you in this campus. I promise you.
Everything out of proportion. This is not a problem.
It's a problem, oh. A very big. No, you're wearing fake. Can you do this? Let me see the stamp.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Big Nash. Michael Kors. The MK well stamped.
So I even have a Michael Kors bag to match.
You're asking me why I'm shouting at you? Like, seriously? You are such a terrible liar. Yes. But even if you must lie, even to me, considering how much I have spent in the shop over time, like, seriously. Okay, I remember what you told me when you were trying to convince me to buy the Michael Kors sneakers. Yeah, you said it was the only pair in stock, and I remember how much I paid for it. But right now, I have evidence that you sold another pair to that lowlife. Okay, now you listen to me. You have just confirmed how stupid you are. Very classless. Yes, do not in your life call my number again because you've lost me as a customer. Goodbye.
Hi. I pity that boutique owner. Because anyone who stops having you as a customer has lost a huge amount of money.
I don't care. I don't fucking care. Now, you watch out what happens when next she tries to call me on phone. She'll end up in prison.
If I would advise, you shouldn't have punished the boutique owner. For all we know, Tessy is a mischievous character. You don't know what she's up to.
I don't care. I don't care. You know what? I called the idiot and he actually accepted to have sold the sneakers to her. But was trying to explain something that I don't even know. You know what? I don't have time for classless fools.
What was the meaning of that call? What was the meaning of that call? Who do you even think you are? Who you be? I will no longer buy anything from you again. As what? What do you buy, sir? What do you get?
Tessy, I need you to take your cursed self out of my apartment. And I mean now.
What that will make me come here? For your information, by this time next week, I will transfer 2 million naira into his account just to forget a witch like you.
Oh my. Like, I'm really sorry. Sweetheart.
Darling.
Tessy. You know what? However hard you try, you can never be like Ciara.
Ciara, I am not just bigger than you. I am bigger than your past, your present, and your future. You heard me right? Ciara, I repeat again, I am bigger than your past, your present, and your future. Ciara, you're not even ashamed of yourself. With all your juju, your charms, and all those filthy, dirty things that you do, I am still bigger than you. You see Tessy Jones with my clean hands? I am still bigger and cleaner than you. And listen to me. By the time I transfer that money to him, even like when you repent, you call him from today till tomorrow, he will never pick your call. Witch! Daughters of a witch. Bingos.
Oh my God!
I don't know why I hate her so much.
No matter how she tries, she's going to meet her under trying to be like Ciara.
Well, even if she robs a bank, becomes a ritualist, she can never, ever be like Ciara.
I make better moves than you. Don't try.
Wait this. Let me see it now.
See. Okay, can you do this one?
So if I carry you go Club 9, where big shots stay, and like this they go dance like Agberabi. Wait, see. Like I show you. When you reach there, you go position your ass like this, and then you twerk.
Whoa. Whoa.
Not. What's that? Is that a logo?
Just take a look at yourselves. This is what you do with your time. No, take a look. Just take a look at your immediate environment. See how dirty the entire house is littered. The kitchen stinks. And you girls stand here and... My goodness. So dirty.
Sarah, enough. You've insulted Lily and now you want to face me. See, you're a lady. If you feel so uncomfortable, you can go clean the house yourself.
Are you serious? That I should go clean up the house? I have been out of this town for more than 2 weeks and I come back to clean the mess that you both created? This is most unbelievable. Are you even serious?
Until we do. Relax and let's have our peace, please.
It's okay. I know how to get you girls working. I'll call your boyfriends, invite them to this house to see how much of a pig you girls are. You slay on campus and on social media, nobody would know that you girls are a bunch of packaged pigs. No, just hold
Don't
on.
get into that now. Don't call our boyfriends. We'll clean the house.
How did you get our boyfriend's numbers anyway? It's against the rule to call them and tell them things about us.
Newsflash, I make the rules and I can break them again and again.
Please don't.
Okay then. It's okay. I'm exiting to be back in 30 minutes. By the time I come back, I want this entire house cleaned up. Pigs. Look at them. Slaying pigs.
If I blow her, she will know herself. I dey chop fufu. If I blow her.
Love, can you perceive where this offensive smell is coming from?
Sonia, I'm surprised that you're asking such questions. Where else, if not from our slay pig that parades herself as a slave?
What are you talking about? Is it Tessy?
See this.
Just see the bag. See the smelling bag.
Fine girl. My goodness.
Hey! Oh, this girl is so dirty.
Are you with me on this? I think it's our time we confront that girl. We need to talk to her. We need to make her understand that the beauty of a woman starts from the inside.
Will she listen? Eh? Let's go.
What's the meaning of this? What kind of book is this?
We came in peace, and we're praying that you will not misunderstand us.
Okay, what are you girls up to?
Hey, Tessy. Of what use is a woman to look so beautiful in the outside, but rotten in the inside?
Rot as in not spiritual. The rot we're talking about is the one that has to do with dirt. I mean, why must a woman wear her undies to the point that they smell and she will not wash them?
Hey, do you realize they are dating? What kind of rubbish is this? Where did they bring this kind of one?
Look, Tessy, we were just disturbed as your friends. So we decided to talk to you. This is not nice now. Eh?
See, your packed undies is so strong that even air freshener cannot handle it. Tessy, please, go and wash your pants and your bras before we contact disease in this house.
What sort of rubbish? In fact, I have never been insulted like this in my life. If you see a dirty pant or you perceive something, can't you fix it? What use are you in this house? I pay the bills here. I feed you. I even clothe you. I buy you pad. Common pad. Of what use are you in this house? I want to know.
Tessy, we're not talking about paying of bills here. We're talking about hygiene. Your stuff smell. We can help you burn them or trash them if you're not into wash and wear. Come on, you want to kill us in this house?
Okay, now you that is running your mouth now like public tap, you will be the one now to wash that pant. Wash it and wash it very well.
Excuse me?
You heard me. No, you have to choose. You have to choose. It's either you pay the bills here or you fix it.
See, Tessy, please, it has not got into that now, eh? See, we'll help you wash everything. We are so sorry the way we are put.
Excuse me, just shut up.
Please.
In fact, shut up. Take the plate to the kitchen and you wash my pants.
Tessy, we'll wash. Tessy, we are sorry now.
Say what's waiting?
Her pants. So I come this life, go and wash pants for this idiot.
Rough flip down.
Hey!
We're not washing anything.
But wait, but babe.
Babe,
see, wait. See, it is either you wash the pants or you pay the bills because you have no other option.
You do it. Una lie, now you're washing up, that to smell. Ah! What a slay pig.
Hey! This is the psychic.
Really?
Yes. She reads palms and tells fortune. So, I brought her so she can tell us our future. And I've already paid.
For all of us?
Yes, for all of us. And I hope you're going to give us value for our money.
You must have known I came highly recommended for you to invest such money into my services. So relax and allow me do what you have paid me to do.
So, how do you want it? Privately, as in individually?
Wow. It will be fun to know everyone's future.
Yes.
Let us do it collectively.
Because I already know I am full of money. Can you tell me about these two broke girls, how poor they will be?
Yes, you are full of money. But your desire to earn money is so strong and strange that I see you having black money.
Black money? What do you mean by that?
Black money is money connected to a lot of places, and it comes in different denominations.
I'm listening.
My mother was...
How can there be such a person? The fortune of royalty rests in your hands. Immeasurable wealth.
No. It cannot be immeasurable wealth. This is immeasurable juju. This is Sierra now. See, I don't want trouble. I don't even want the trouble at all. I paid you heavily for these services. If you cannot render it to me or give me your full attention, I need my money now. And I want it in full. I'm talking to you, I'm still looking at that.
Madam, say something.
Will you give me my attention or not?
Here. Tell me more. And also tell my friends.
Yes.
The money you've offered me is far much more than the services I render. But of course, I'm willing to tell you everything you need to know. Sierra, you must never make that guy angry. He is gold that can never fade or vanish. You know the guy. His name starts with P.
I have an idea of who you're talking about, darling. I think I like the sound of this, please. Go ahead. Tell me more.
Yes, please. Talk to us. The money they paid you can cover for everyone. What do you see about us?
Such a pretentious friendship. It is not your fault that your stars don't shine like your friends. Find your luck and take your eyes off your friends.
This is looking like an insult, not fortune reading. Come out directly, let us understand.
I see Monica and Lily not trusting their friend Sierra. They see her as fetish or dangerous.
Did I say it?
I see Love and Sonia betraying their friend Tessy.
Ha! No!
Sierra and Tessy must be mindful of themselves.
Liar! Fraud! Thief! Wayo! Because they paid you heavily and we don't have money to give to you. That is why you are not lying against us.
Idiot! What are you trying to call us? What are you trying to make us look like? Like a criminal? How dare you!
Just shut up. Shut up. Your mouth order. You. Well, you made me happy, so I'll forgive you. Just.
Madam, you know, be still
Let's
lie.
go.
You lie.
Say.
You lie. Olo, shouldn't believe
They are all liars. We know that.
Tessy, I hope you're not going to allow the words of that psychic bother you.
Black money. Betrayal. How I wish she spoke clearly and not in parables.
Tessy, she has creatively defrauded you. That was why she spoke in parables. And you cannot trust the words of her mouth.
I don't trust you now. You do what it is you now. Who among you will betray me?
Tessy, I cannot betray you.
Come on, Tessy, why are you sounding like that? For goodness sake, we are friends. Yes. Friends look out for each other. We can't betray you.
Not when friends have been cornered. They will put your head first to save theirs. Are they looking at you? I just look you.
No, but Tessy, we know.
Especially you. And you. My day, your body shine. I don't say.
You just say no fuck up again this time. Now you. Now you start down.
Sierra, that woman is a scam. I think she's in a deceptive business, telling people sweet things just to get paid.
Wish I had a lot of money. She would have told me that Sierra was still my husband in the future. Sierra, don't tell me you believe that.
What have I done to you girls?
Why do you girls hate me so much?
Hate?
You girls don't even trust me?
No, Sierra, we trust you like our blood sister. Come on, we've been living together in this house for a long time. We love you. Don't tell me you're believing that hungry psychic over us, huh?
Come on.
But I mean, she's right. I see the look in your eyes. I see the way you girls look at me when I receive my calls and credit alerts. I see the disbelief. But the question is, how do I make you trust me? My hands are clean.
Sierra, why are you getting paranoid? See, come on, we love and trust you. We will never betray you for anything. Don't tell me you believed her.
Well, it'll take more than just verbal confession of love for me to believe you girls. Excuse me.
Oh, Sierra hasn't got... There she goes. Sierra!
All I see is jealousy, jealousy, yeah.
But babes, you know, see that psychic no lie. Because I can't see myself trusting Sierra. I can't believe that everything is just working out well for her. Just like that.
The psychic said she's full of money. And that she has the wealth of royalty. It means she could be naturally endowed with wealth.
So you believe them? Well, believe anything you won't believe. As for me, hey, I know say Sierra mama carry her go for river of wealth. River of money, she go bath for that place. You see that river? I go trace some and I must enter that river, bath my own bath.
Wait. You are beginning to twist this thing now. So you don't believe say Sierra feel lucky? I mean, like babe when they speak for them, where they didn't like her naturally. So why do they feel say she gets?
So no only her they speak for them. No only her sabi book. See, plenty fine girls dey where they follow men like her, but then they see money. The way she they see all the money where she dey pack. Before she talk, before she open mouth talk, man don't give her money. They don't give her car. They don't give her wealth. They don't give her. No, we not fine pass her. I know say there is more to her wealth. There's more to her success. I dey go find that place. No.
Yeah.
Hey, where you did now? I go leave you, I cannot get that time.
Tessy.
What do you want?
Tessy, please, I need your help. I am in serious trouble, please.
You? Oh, that scrap of your boyfriend. Who needs the help?
Tessy, will you stop analyzing my problems and just help me? I need your help.
How much do you want?
About 150K. I'll pay back. I'll even pay back with interest. Please now.
What is wrong with you? Now take a good look at yourself. You have not belonged to the Checkers Club of Nigeria because of that useless boyfriend of yours. I'm telling you, that boy will drag you down with himself. He's going down. He wants you to go down with him. And you really want to freely go down with him? I'm really very sorry I can't give you any money. I will not. I don't have that money. I don't get. 150,000 naira. So you talk very casually. I don't get.
Tessy.
I said I don't get. Which kind to be this one now? I don't get. Yeah. I tell you for now.
What are you doing here? The last time I checked, we're not friends. So what are you doing in my apartment?
And I don't want to be your friend either. I'm here strictly for business.
Business? Alright, then go straight to it because time is money. What have you got?
Tessy's secrets in exchange for 500,000. Yes, all her dirty secrets. I'll give them to you.
Tessy's secrets? My world. I thought you were Tess's friend. So why are you ready to sell her out? Anyways, Tess's secret is too expensive for 500,000 naira.
Okay, it's fine. I am open for negotiation. What about 200,000? 200,000 and I will give you all her secrets. Everything you need to know about Tessy.
I don't know what your problem is. You don't understand English properly? What I'm trying to say is, Tess's secret is too cheap for me to pay even 1,000 naira. For crying out loud, if I want Tess's secret, I can just get it without paying a dime. So why would I even pay you anything for Tess's secret? Look, love, I will pretend that we never had this conversation. In fact, you were never here in my apartment. Okay? So if you don't mind, you can just take a walk.
It's fine. Thank you. But please, Tessy must not know that we had this conversation.
Oh, it's okay. Go now.
But I promise you one thing. That one day, you will need those secrets. And then you will come begging for it.
Until then. Omo, Sigbegi. You mean love actually asked you to give her money to betray Tessy?
This is indeed a test of loyalty. But what did Tessy do to love that will make her decide to betray her?
A traitor is a traitor, okay? A traitor does not necessarily need a reason to betray.
That's true.
And that's who she is, a disloyal person.
So what did you answer? Did you buy it?
Are you serious? Buy off Tess's secret? That's so laughable. I would never have done that. Buying off the story, it's like me giving Tessy some sort of relevance and importance. You know? Besides, I have better things to do with my money other than buying something about Tessy. Oh my goodness.
Friendship is scary. Hey!
Mary.
Who is this now? Who are you?
I believe I'm speaking with Tessy Jones.
Oh, yeah, speaking.
We are very busy people, so I wouldn't want to waste our time. I have in my possession nude pictures of you. Please don't call this a bluff.
I think you're speaking to the wrong person. I'm very sorry about that.
I was hoping you would say that. it. After this call, I will send you some of those pictures on your phone for you to confirm that I'm not bluffing. You will have to pay heavily to delete these pictures and for them not to go viral. I'll call you to tell you when you make the drop of 1 million naira. Good day.
Tessy, someone is definitely blackmailing you.
See, you have nothing to be worried about. I know you don't have a new picture, or do you?
I don't have a... Oh my God, oh my God. Oh no. Oh, I know Ciara will be connected to this. I know that girl. Oh, if I find out that she's the one, I swear I'll kill this girl. I'll kill this girl. Shit.
Ciara girl is just, she's just something else.
We're together, it's what it seems. But it's so fake in totality. Yeah. And how the company.
This one you've been pacing up and down. What's happened? Monica, can I ask you a question? Go ahead. Do I have for sale written on my forehead? Not at all. What happened? It's that idiot! You can imagine the insult on my personality. That idiot thinks he can buy me. He thinks everything is about money. What was his crime? Can you imagine? Sending me ₦1 million and asking me to come spend 2 nights with him in the UK? Like I'm some street prostitute? Sarah, wait. Wait. A man sent you ₦1 million just to spend 2 nights with him. Yes. And you're saying no. Sarah, how do you do it? Teach me, I want to learn. How do you guys do it? 1M! My goodness. Monica! Eh? You're not even pissed? That someone is trying to make me look like a street prostitute? I can't believe you. Seriously. I'm so disappointed at you. Goodness. I am not disappointed at you. ₦1 million to meet him in the UK, not even in Nigeria. You're saying no. Sarah, get conscience. You see this your matter today. I still look into him. I go soon catch you. ₦1 million. You're saying no. Instead of the 5,000 naira, 10,000, I never see. Fear.
Come on now, Tessy. Eh? Please stop disturbing yourself. I don't want you to cry again, please.
Can you believe I paid 500,000 naira to the blackmailer? Money I was supposed to use for the vacation. I wanted to go to the channel shop. I saw this beautiful bag and it's pink. With one kind of blink hand like that. I wanted to snap in that shop and post the picture on the internet. Now I can't do that again. What a mess.
This is why I love the United States of America. They do not negotiate with terrorists.
I am not in the US, I'm in Nigeria. I'm not there.
My dear, it's not your fault. 500k to save your face from those shame. It is big, but not too much. Just let it go. Babe, your reputation was involved, yeah.
500,000 naira? That's a lot of money. I don't bother even if the picture of my powerhouse goes viral on the internet. After 1 week, I'm forgotten, and the next thing something else comes up. Then, boom, I'm popular. Of course, you know popularity is not a bad idea.
Okay, if you really want to be that popular, because you think I'm joking, right? Take this phone. Snap your private part, snap your house, and post it on the internet if you want. Take and do it. Take. Jeez, you are so.
Like we're together, it's what it seems, but it's so fake in totality. Yeah. Unhealthy competitions, fetish, undue competition, yeah. The lady that you got, you don't cherish. It's so fake, so fake. All I see is jealousy, jealousy. Yeah. All I see is jealousy, jealousy. Yeah. See, all I see is jealousy, jealousy.
I like your offer now. You just see the money. Okay, good. Then I have my own share of the money when you go send them. You say wait. I beg. I don't want to get any issue with you for this money matter. I beg. If I don't betray my friend, how you 14 raise that money? Okay, do you know how guilty I feel right now? Do you know how guilty I feel that I had to do that to my friend? My account number there with you, Abi. So send my money come. Send down. No, carry me play. Send my money. No. Send my now.
And healthy competitions, fetish, and you competition, fetish. The lady that you got, you don't cherish. It's so fake, all I see is jealousy, yeah. All I see is jealousy, yeah. See, all I see is jealousy.
Love, do you have something to tell me? Like confessing your sins or something like that?
Are you not a priest? I believe me, I don't have anything to say.
Really? Someone just made a call. Listen.
I like your offer now. You just see the money. Okay, good. Now for have my own share of the money when you go send them. You say waiting. I beg. I don't want to get any issue with you for this money matter. I beg. If I don't betray my friend, how you 14 raise that money? See, you know how guilty I feel like this? Say I betray my own friend. Eh? It's just that I choose you over my own friend. I beg. Don't say my own money. I don't want to get any issue with you. I don't want to get problem with you. We can't talk with this now. My account number there with you, Abi. So send my money come. Send down. No, don't carry me play. Send my money. No. Send that now.
You are such a bitch. You? Love, after all I've done for you, I feed you. I fucking house you. I give you every single thing that you need. And then you sold my nude. Hey?
Why? Because you're wicked. You're very heartless. I paid you for that money nicely. But you refused to give it to me. But because of your reputation, you parted with 500,000 naira. You're the most cold-hearted, selfish bitch I've ever seen in my life. You care only about yourself. Every time it's always about you and you alone.
You are so scary. No matter what Tessy did, you shouldn't have extorted her. Friends don't do that to friends. What if he comes back for more with the picture in his possession?
He cannot even do that. Because right now your boyfriend is having fun in the police station. Oh yes, I did. And you know the only reason why you're standing here right now looking at me like a bitch that you are? It's because we are friends. If not, you would have been in the police station right now with him cooling off.
What?
Yes.
Oh, are you telling me that you got my boyfriend arrested?
No.
You got my boyfriend arrested?
I got him arrested.
Who the hell do you think?
Shut up! Shut up, you bitch!
Tessy.
Oh, just hold it, please. At least for a second. Madam, if that eye is broken, you have to stitch it. Because snitches wear stitches. There me again. Bitch.
How could you? How? How could you? How? I
Yeah, yeah.
Sierra! Oh, baby. How are you? Yeah, I was gonna call you. I'm okay. Good. I received the money that you sent. $3,000. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. Ah, but baby, I didn't do much the last time. Did I? No. I only touched you here and there, you know. I only did that because I want you to, remember me when I'm not there, just like now. I gave you something to remember, baby. What? You got me a shop at a mall in Atlanta. Whatever for? To sell African wares. Baby. How can I do that when I'm not in the States? That would mean me moving into the state permanently. I'm not ready for that. No way, baby. You should have consulted me before doing this. I'm not ready to move into the States now. Yes. You're not pissed? Thank you, my love. This will still work, okay? Whenever I'm ready to move in. Thanks for your understanding, my love. I love you. I love you too, my baby. Love you, love you, love you.
My baby. Hear correctly. Sarah, you just rejected an offer to own a shop in a mall in Atlanta, USA. Sarah, how do you do it?
Monica, listening to someone's private conversation is wrong. It's okay. I forgive you.
I'm also guilty. What are you thinking, Sierra? Are you the president of this country that you don't want to leave it? See, I feel flattered. We feel flattered that you don't want to leave us. But we will be glad if you do.
Are you chasing her? Sarah, don't mind her. If you want to stay, you can stay. But then, you see those your opportunities, all those plenty gifts, those offers that you see as small and insults. I like insults. Back then, come my side. I beg I will appreciate that.
You know what? We apologize for listening to your conversation and actually making you understand we did. But you know what I'm talking about, Sierra. We're friends now.
I know what?
I want to know how you do it, how you collect millions from men. In fact, just now, $3,000 just like that.
That is why we've humbly come, for you to teach us how to fish.
Teach us how to fish and stop giving us fishes.
Exactly.
You're a nice person. Just tell us.
Sierra, how do you write them? Where do you touch them? How do you open it that they happily give you their all?
Yes. Are you girls even serious? You think all of this is about giving a man good sex and touch? Seriously? Look, I am simply a lucky girl. And all of this is about luck, grace, and love. Goodness! I can't even comprehend this right now.
Chai. Grace. Luck. Do you buy that?
Luck killed her. That guy is a convincing liar.
Sarah has a way of talking one into delivering whatsoever she has in her mouth. Maybe that is one of her talents in making men to give her money.
I am certain that Sierra is not an ordinary woman. Her powerhouse is not the regular type. Is it that she used something to make it delicious or... Whoa!
You see that her baby? Yes! I must find out as she will collect that. In fact, if it means me going to meet Tessy, I know Tessy will proudly tell me because they quarrel. She will tell me. I must find out too.
Sure. What is happening to us?
Confirm! Hey! I don't make up! Hey! Chai is a lie. It's 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 a lie. Look at Karodeke. Look at. Allah. Hey! Allah.
My girl, you don't
Hey! This is a pure lie. Hey! Sarah is in trouble. Who grab my hair? Hey! Who grab my hair? Another one just wants to kill me. Kill me.
Why do you find it difficult to help your sisters? We understand that these things require confidential protection. And we are ready.
Yes, my sister.
I don't understand what you guys are talking about. What are you talking about? I don't understand. What's this for?
Abana, Tessy. Look at you. Whatever you touch turns good. We are following the trend. We hear things. We know a lot are involved. I beg. Why don't you want to lead us into this secret of money? I beg now.
Oh, okay. Are you girls really serious now? Like you're serious?
Yes.
You believe I'm diabolical? Like I do some fetish things? I am not diabolical, please. My hands are clean. It's just grace. It's luck. As in, it just flows. It's all over me now. Can't you see?
No verse. We know so you're there your head. We know you have the luck. But there is still something that sparks this luck. There is something there. I beg now, girl. We're tired of all these 10 that we are playing around. Help your sisters. We won't swim inside this ocean of money. Pity us now. See, everything just the waste. Hey, go. Hey, I beg.
Okay. I will introduce you to the newest thing in town.
Please, we are ready for anything.
Yes. It's called Kayamata. You can apply it in your soup, cream, whatever you want. Hey, babe. As you rub and finish, you don't get any man when you ask for something when they go do it for you. Who you be? I never born now. It is called powerful medication.
Tessy, I beg no verse. Is it some kind of juju or charms? What did that one be?
I don't do charm, my girl. When I thought just now, I put water for mouth. I'm not diabolical. I don't do juju. Babe, this thing, I just started using it. Yes, I will introduce you girls to the person that sells it. Yes, now. Don't worry. By the time you apply it to your powerhouse, now just to talk, as they talk, in good one.
I like it.
Hey, Willie. These are sweet. I beg, when you go call the woman, if you call her.
Calm down, not a rush. That makes things not they work for now. Calm down, not a rush.
So unreal personalities.
Sister, these are my friends. This is Sonia and this is Love. I told them about the powerful medicine that you give to me. Since I started using that medicine, I know the effects it has on my finance. It has really been very good. So, in fact, they know. I don't even need to tell them. They know. They saw it. So they are asking me now, say how far, and then I told them that it is you. So I want you to use your mouth and explain to them.
Girls, from generation to generation, my family has been in the business of producing powerful medicine. This medicine helps a woman to keep her man tight, and the man will love her any man that enters her, she becomes a fresh virgin to him.
Hey, madam, are you serious?
I am, oh. Hey.
Are you saying that the medicine revirginizes a woman? Eh? Like no matter how wide the place be, like say
Like
you don't be.
Yes, it's very possible. After application, you raise your legs, lie upward for 10 minutes, you'll be tight again. And any man that enters there will love you. Anything you ask from him, he'll give it to you. Honey, I need 10 million. He'll give it to you. Honey, I need 1 million. He'll give it to you. Honey, I need a car. You will have it without asking questions.
This is what I like to hear. Madam, if this powerful medicine is the key to changing my financial status, I am so down with it.
Yes, it is very, very powerful. Your powerhouse will become real powerhouse in the sense of the word. I have a lot of them. They come in different colors and in different types. And a tube, mind you, is 25,000.
Madam, that sounds a little bit expensive.
Eh?
But if it's effective, I don't mind. I will buy 2.
Hey, madam, me, I'll buy 3.
So calm down now. I don't know what I mean. Maybe that pass. I will buy 4.
See, let me tell you, girls. If you need 100, they are available here. What I sell is powerful medicine. Starting from now, we begin to cage men one by one. If they walk, that man will not even like to leave you.
The problem I have with you is that you do not know the value of the information I have for you.
And the problem I have with you also is that you don't know the value of the information I have for you. It is called powerful medication. And as I speak to you right now, Sonia already put her own to use. And things are opening up for her.
Are you serious? Tell me more about it.
You must be a joker. Why don't you give me the address to the website I begged you? And I will give you the contact of the powerful woman that sells the medicine.
Wait, is that the reason Sonia now wears expensive hairs? Human hairs?
Not only just that, she now buys expensive phones, expensive laptops. You know, Tony, I'll be shopping. Why wasting so much time? Give me the address to the website. You don't say. And I will give you the medicine woman's number.
Seems, but it's so fake in totality.
What did you girls call it? Powerful medicine. You mean a vagina application? Are you girls even crazy?
No, we are not crazy. In fact, that classless girl refused to give me the woman's number. And then we humbly approached Tessy. Then she gave us the number.
I can't believe what I'm hearing from you girls.
We are desperate, that's why. We've already paid the woman. And she promised to deliver to us first thing tomorrow morning. Please don't look down on this information. Because we are certain it is the key to changing our financial status forever. You just have to encourage us.
Encourage you?
Ciara encourage us. Don't expect Ciara to encourage us. She don't show us the way normally. She's enjoying the fact that she's the only successful one among us.
Hey, Lily, slow down. I'm right here. Like, seriously, you talk about me in my present like I'm absent? Are you joking? Whoever says I don't want you to progress? For goodness sake, I want you girls to progress. I want you to enjoy the good things of life. I also know that there are consequences that comes with you using some sort of powerful medicine or some vagina application.
Ciara, I beg, pray better prayer for person. You know one pray. Not be the first time people they do and they never die. We go do our own, we no go die.
I will die.
There are risks involved though. There's never been a vagina application without side effects. You girls, don't say I didn't warn you. Oh.
Side effect.
Okay. Well, I just drove into my house. Well, you know me. I don't like to hang out during the day. But if you want to take me out, just give me a few hours to rest my head. And then I'll call you much later in the day. Yes, we could meet up at the roof bar, if that is okay. But if you're the one taking me out tonight, you have to be ready, oh. Of course. Yeah, I'll talk to you much later, okay?
Can you see this? Monica is now a car owner. You can say that. A Jeep for that matter.
Oh, wow. Congratulations, girl.
Thank you.
You are officially a car owner, baby. Wow, I'm quite impressed. Nice one. Wow, really nice.
Powerful mercy transformed my life almost immediately. And my Batmaga has been asking for more. And then I asked for a house. But next, I will ask for a car.
Lily, you sabi. You should even ask for everything that you want right now.
A trip to Paris? In fact, I have never traveled out of this country before. I am going to achieve everything I've never had in my life. All thanks to powerful medicine.
Well, I must say that I am truly happy for you, darlings. Thank you. But I will advise you girls to use wisdom. Please, apply what? Wisdom. Because there is nothing as good as enjoying good things like this with good health. Very important. Excuse me, girls. Anyways, congratulations. I hope you all end well.
Thank you.
Here she is, sounding like a prophetess of doom, trying to ruin a vibrant day with a talk of confrontation. That's girl, like you.
I beg you, let me lock my car and go inside.
My girl, let's go inside.
The bottom line is, I now own a car. A Jeep. Jeep.
Yes. Hey, transaction confirmed. Check it out.
You dey surprise me. On a normal day, you never bath now. Not because, babe, you never bath. Not be you. You where they use rubber band, they tie your Android phone. And will just enter your hand. And all that came to your mind is to get 12 iPhones. Not even one. 12!
My friend, please give me my phone. Why are you mad now? The phones are still coming. 12 iPhones are coming with 12 different colors.
Oh. But babe, what difference does it make? An iPhone is an iPhone. And then you got 12. 12!
My friend, calm down now. Take it easy. How is it my fault that I met this rich man that loves me a lot? A money misread man that matter. He insisted that I use a phone that corresponds with every dress I wear. If I'm wearing black today, black phone. Yellow, yellow phone. So I don't want to disappoint him. Yes, I need to follow up.
Okay, big girl, no vex. I'm not saying you know follow up. But this money now, okay, why not cancel the order and get a car? You need a car.
My girl, relax. Don't bother your head. I will use that medicine again. And this time around, I will order for a car. But for now, let me enjoy my phones. Relax.
Hey. Girls, you girls should just get ready. I am taking you both out. Yes! On me. Yes. Pills on me. What's the apple? What's the apple? Money is happening, bitches. You know I don't like eating alone. So go get ready. You know who chop alone, they die alone.
I tell you.
Should I change my mind?
I'll change it. No triumph. Me? No, don't rush you already. Hey. Oh yeah.
You better hurry up.
Oh, yeah, me, I don't already before.
Girl,
I am again.
I don't hammer.
I deal with you.
Now. Wait, what my drinks don't finish? I don't drink everything finish.
Drink and shut up.
Why they have
Just wait.
What?
Are you on your period? Because you're wet behind.
My dear, I am not even close to my period. Thank you.
Babe, did you pee on your body or something? Because you're really soaked.
What kind of embarrassment is this? Now this is not funny. Oh, when I don't forget now. I don't make money now, so I don't rub shoulder. Abi? I don't carry on now. I don't show on level, so you don't rub shoulders. Do I blame you?
Tessy, you really need to go check yourself. Because you're wet behind, you're soaked.
Now this is embarrassing. That's rude. Shut up.
Abi, my head is single.
What was that all about? She's not on her period and she's wet.
My dear, that's not even a big deal. Maybe she pee on her pants or something.
Pee on her pants? Oh, please.
She can be asleep.
She really needs to check on herself.
She's happy.
Damn! What's going on here? My God! Is there anything wrong with you girls that you're not telling me? What's going on here? And why does it appear that the both of you are wearing diapers?
Adult diapers. Sierra, see, you were right. That medicine has got side effects.
Sierra, as we did like this, we need your help. Our baby is the big better and it will make us sick.
And it's smelling as well. Goodness. But I told you girls, didn't I? I warned you. Look what you've done to yourselves. My God, nothing in life is as good as that. I warned you, but you were not listening to me. Everything has got its side effects. Didn't I tell you? Okay, I think I'll just call my family doctor to see if there will be a remedy to... I don't even know what to call this.
Please, my friend, I would give anything to be ready. This is so embarrassing.
Look at that. Just look at that.
See that woman there? Spiritual truck, then go jam her.
Monica.
I remember how I displeased you. When you first noticed that I was wet. Now see, I didn't even know you girls would have it. I'm so ashamed of this.
Ashamed is an understatement. I am so devastated. I'm supposed to go for injections today. But there is no money. No money anywhere.
Why did you look when you talk? Why you not look at you talk?
At least, you still better ask me so.
I don't get money. As I did like this now, she guy no go my ass. I don't get money. We are treating the same thing, have you forgotten?
That place is no longer tight and totally slacked. Hey! Powerful medicine has ruined us. God, what did I put myself into? God.
I cry. I've sold everything. Sold my phones, my laptops, my jewelry. I've sold everything. Still, I am not well. The treatment has taken all my money, taken everything from me.
What did we get ourselves into?
I was saying something. Why don't you say this Kayamaka girl na the first time when she sell this market? Because
Like they may not use us to experiment.
And make lots of money experimenting. The worst part of it is that we still call them to give them feedback for the experiment analysis.
Oh! It not be low. Oh! It not belong true to the warriors. That Kayamata woman, she still drives one jalopika like that. Why did she use the medicine on herself? So she can make plenty money.
And make lots of money experimenting. The worst part of it is that we still call them to give them feedback for the experiment analysis. Oh, God. Look at what we put ourselves into.
Wait now. All this men. On all this men. Huh?
Hello, girlfriends. I couldn't help but notice that your cars are not in the parking lot. What's up?
You don't know, we just tell you so we don't sell the car. We sold this to use the money to treat ourselves.
Even my remaining service, I don't use it and clear my treatment bills. I am back to square one.
Square one is even okay. I am back to square zero. To have money. Never got this useless way. Sister, powerful medicine. Sister, if I catch you, if I go kill you. What? This woman had phone on me.
Oh.
Hey.
She don't do us thing, just lock up the matter. They call up the shark, no will solve this problem.
Girls, can you recall how you got yourself into this mess? Don't worry, I'll remind you. You wanted to be like Ciara, possibly even outsmart me. And in the process, of all the people in this world to listen to, you listen to a loser like Tessy?
Ciara, we already accepted our mistakes. So don't blame us forever.
Well, I'm not blaming you girls. I'm not even judging, okay? But for crying out loud, just take a look at the two of you. You girls look so pitiful. Yuck. Well. You girls only lost money. At least not your lives. You're still alive. You girls survived the ordeal. That's a big deal. But next time, you have to be careful of things that look too good to be true.
Sarah, we understand the sarcasm. But thank you for not blowing it out of proportion. It's true that we tried to measure up with you, but we failed. Look at where it has landed us.
I'm telling you.
Well, as for what to do, you need a survival plan. Isn't that what people who survive diseases like yours do? Yeah, to find a way to survive. You girls have to survive.
You're right, Ciara. The worst thing happened. We need to get up there and hustle. I have it to pay. I cannot be growing up in frustration. It will not save me.
That's the spirit, girlfriend. You see that? Before you girls get out there to hustle, we need to celebrate your surviving leaking vaginas.
So you have to announce the sickness.
I wonder.
It's okay. I'll take you girls to an exotic restaurant. Let me spoil you girls a little bit. Goodness, life is sweet. Life is beautiful. Okay? I need to show you how beautiful it is to be alive. Who's with me? Anyone? Someone? Something is happening in this house. Someone is opening my closet in my absence. And that person is using my powder. So I ask you girls, who is this person?
Sarah, you know I cannot use your powder. We are not the same complexion now.
Same with me. I have my powder. I noticed that the quantity in various designs has been reduced. Maybe that's the problem you're having.
Well, deep down in your heart, you know you girls are lying. I advise whoever is behind this act to retrace her steps. I can joke with anything else, but not my powder.
Sarah, why are you taking this personal? Is it not ordinary powder?
Well, I do not have the time to dwell on whatever you mean by ordinary. It is not for me to dwell on, okay? My powder is no ordinary powder. I get it from overseas. And hey, if you're too broke to get yourself powder, tell me. I'll give you some money to buy. But until then, nobody, I repeat, nobody touches my powder.
Lily, did you see her reaction? Has it not become clear to you that there is more to that powder than she tells us? I am still surprised. Girls don't go far. Thank God I am already helping myself with that overseas powder that gives her overseas boyfriends. But wait. Are you sure that that powder has no India connection? Because I have used it once and something happened. Now, seeing the way she's reacting, I am so convinced that Sierra is connected in some strange places. Girls are strong. Who cares? Babes, I have started using it already. And I will not stop until I hammer. Can you get that? Sarah is no more beautiful than me now. Look at me very well. But wait, see, I am going to play her game and win her in it. Danga. Yeah. See, I think I know where you're coming from. I know where you're coming from. I am with you all the way. Me, I am with you. I just pray. May God give me inspiration to rise above this level. I'm telling you. God has already given you the inspiration. Amen. No. The powder. We shall continue to use it. Danga. We are hammering very soon. She might hear you.
Like we're together, it's what it seems. But it's so fake in totality, yeah. Unhealthy competitions, fetish, undue competition, yeah. Fetish, the lady that you got, you don't cherish. It's so fake, all I see is jealousy.
Hey. Who am I seeing? Tessy. Now you be this one and your ghost at the sea. Because I see your picture for Facebook say you dey London. But I'm surprised that you're here, sitting down.
I London I dey.
Eh?
Which kind of talk Babe, people who invest for this trip plenty. I not be shout, I not be person money. Now London I dey. Anyway, thanks to you and your blackmail that crippled me financially.
Hey, Ariwa. Nothing person will go see. Tessy, this your wash business. You don't take am serious well. But wait, how did you get all those fine pictures you posted on Facebook?
I snap plenty, which I 30 steps. I just dey use them one by one.
Oh, and the scope be that. Hey, again. I don't think get personal interest for this your matter. Teach me now, show me the way. How you do?
Calm down, any Russian. Calm down, settle down. You'll get interest. Calm. You understand? Meanwhile, nobody knows that they just go big, no fish shout. Don't tell anybody. Do you hear me?
I hear. Oh, your wash secret. They safe with me, eh? No fear. But I hope you tell Sonia too. Make she keep her mouth shut too. Londonian.
Sierra,
Tessy is on another level. So that powerful medicine did not affect her. They really say girls with plenty money are on another level.
What do you mean by on another level?
Tessy is currently out of the country. She's in the UK. Yes. If powerful medicine did not make her broke, there's nothing that can make her go broke.
Well, I do agree that Tessy knows her ways around. But I'm honestly in doubt that she's out of the country. Yeah, she's not.
It's gonna be a problem. Oh, I understand. You don't want to believe that she traveled out of the country first before you. Hey, tell me, when you want to travel out?
Monica, I'm not in competition with anyone. Least of all, Tessy. How can you even think that I'm in competition with Tessy? Goodness, it's high time you stop comparing me and Tessy. Please.
Why you can't vex? Why your body can't do hot? A slip of teeth now, and I make me mention Tessy for this house. No vex. Tessy dey London.
What's going on here? How come you're still here? Or am I staring at your spirit?
You're staring at my shadow. Babe, as I did like this now, so now London I do. I don't know where you see me. More pictures will be loaded and released on social media. And everybody will think I am in London. Yes.
Hey, this one's serious though. Tessy, are you saying you're going to be indoors for 2 weeks? Because your caption says, my usual 2 weeks vacation.
Babe, I dare you, I don't go anywhere. Babe, I don't mind staying indoors for 2 weeks. As long as my image is very, very relevant. Besides, now people pay for this trip. I'm not going to phone anybody. Hey, you see that girl because Sierra now knows she's going to kill herself. She won't die because as far as she knows right now, I traveled abroad before her this year.
You know what, Tessy? I just love your life. I mean, you're so on top of your game. Fake, and fake.
Bola starts to favor Misha.
He favor you, my sister.
I fish out too.
Like, I mean, whenever it's going on, she's more of the director than even. She has a mental picture of what she has. What do we have here?
Babes, my blood is hot. Why the things where you go shop now? I saw them on social media.
Possibly downstairs in the taxi. Do you need help to bring them in?
Yes, let's go. Well, I did shop, but then I dropped them off at the motherless babies' home. I am not into charity. I invest in humans.
Oh my, that's really commendable. That's really good and thoughtful of you. Goodness.
Sierra.
Yes.
So you believe the charity where she just stopped now?
Why not?
Which charity they collect champagne? You think I don't see champagne inside the things where you buy? All the things where you upload, I saw champagne inside. See, my friend they lie. She be wash. She just go there, go take picture. I know her too well though.
Lily. All for what? All for your social media image. You mean you went this far? Reload and offload just for the social media image?
I have to tell the world that Lily is still happening. The powerful medicine did not kill or ruin me. Just for the show. To those who hate their lives, it is called getting or having more respect.
Lily, you're so vague. Goodness.
Lily, I like what she do now. Put the picture and the pose where you go take you. Nobody. Yeah, I go still do my own.
Like we're together, it's what it seems, but it's so fake in totality. Yeah.
Hey! Sonia, this is my car. Wait a minute. Like seriously?
Yes, like seriously.
You're not a car owner?
Oh yeah.
Hey.
I am going to set the
Tell me
campus on
something.
fire. Trust me.
What? Sonia, you're not a car owner.
Yes, sir.
Wait, calm down. Where did you even get money to buy a car? This is big.
My darling, there are so many things a girl can do to make money. I mean, you never can tell when luck will smile on your face. You know what? Just call others.
Competitions, fetish, and you competition, fetish, the lady that you got.
I felt so embarrassed. Sonia drove past me and actually turned down her side glass just for me to notice her. Babe, I swear, I felt like disappearing from that spot.
It appears we are the only ones. That's powerful medicine, crippled. What else did Sonia do to buy a car?
It is possible they found something else that we don't know about.
And I'm telling you this night that I will find out that extra thing that Sonia did to buy a car. You see car, I must buy it. You girls are so desperate. For crying out loud, you have forgotten so soon the pains that your so-called powerful medicine made you go through, right? You both almost lost your lives in that process. Affliction will not arise the second time. Yes, I've learned from my past mistakes, so I am going to make money. See this particular money, I will make it.
We must make it.
You will never learn. Never learn.
Babe, what be all this one? What happened? Who beat you?
I was robbed by some hoodlums. If you see the beats those boys beats me. He never took my car away from me.
Come on, don't go.
The car just bought.
What an unfortunate incident. Sonia, you sure say we no go find where to wash our heads so? Eh? The car that you managed to finally buy. This is the second major setback after the powerful medication. Hey! Are you the sweater? What's any talk? What's some negative nonsense then they come off your mouth? Wash which person head? Now you go wash your own head. I beg, I don't believe all those kind of things. Babe, sorry say this kind of thing happen. I beg, sorry, no vex. So that fine motor just go like that.
Yes, sir, the motor don't go.
After all the plenty things what you do to gather pay, say buy that motor. Now say you don't even get luck, say they don't even take your hair, say. I beg, no vex. Go here, just go inside, go back, me you at least spray something. Get where your body they smell.
God bless you, my friends. I don't know what I would have done without you. Okay. Thank you so much for your support.
Don't do. Go bath. Sorry. Bath. Like you can't even take home. I get the kind of order safe with. Can't all those ones. Sorry, Belle. Get bad luck. I bet now you get bad luck. I don't like all those kind of talk now. You blind, you don't see everything they happen. So that motor don't go. Sonia! Sonia! You still do video. Every time, phone. Now Snapchat. Hello. Yeah, good day. No, I'm sorry, it's not Sonia. It's Tessy. I'm out she dey squat. And I squat, now me dey squat am. Tell me the thing, no worry, talk what you want to talk. Why they talk like say your break don't feel? Bro, stop the talk. You say? She not clean the motor where she rent well before she return am. Okay, I'll tell him. Okay. I'll pass your... Give my phone. Why did you answer my calls? I never invaded in your privacy. You don't have any right to answer my calls. Let me you want to scratch my face. Sure. I bet go. Yeah. Babe, you buy motor. You already know why I asked. What was the message? You might as well deliver it. Hey, Sonia, I fear will not fear you. My girl. So that motor when you carry on where you say you buy, you know buy him. You not even package for Ciara and her friends. You package for us. And we dey sleep for the same room. You feel keep us in hide inside that room. Hey, wo.
Wait, Sonia. So, just look me finish. Look at it like me. You can't fool me. You fool us say you buy car and you don't buy car. You can't let me go to dance for public. Hey, I don't suffer. To make matters worse, I go drunk. So now why you lie for us? Hey, you don't see it.
Sonia, you be liar. Sonia, you be liar. Sonia is a liar. Oh, you too fake.
Tessy, if you call me fake again, I will tell everybody that you're in this house and not London.
Trying out.
Just like the way you've been posting on social
I'm
media.
gonna post
You will not do anything. You will not try it. You will not fucking do it. You will not try it.
Come out from us.
You will not try it.
You don't carry your
You will not try it.
Babe, how can you do this? Is this how we now do it? You now go all the way out to eat alone? Like, seriously?
What is she talking about?
You know exactly what we're talking about. You posted a picture on your Instagram page where you were eating in a Chinese restaurant.
Oh, that.
Oh, yes, that, Monica. Seriously, you've been broke for a long time now. I've been the one catering for all of us. Now, what happens the next minute you just make a little money? Zoomed off to a Chinese restaurant, only to eat alone. Not even a takeaway pack for your friends. How can you explain this?
Babes, you guys should be thanking God for me.
How do you mean?
Yes, I was so hungry and I didn't have money to buy food. Boom, I pulled a stunt and I'm still surprised the way I succeeded.
What stunt?
Well, when I walked in, I ate to my satisfaction, took the necessary pictures and videos. Boom, I pulled up the stunts and they all gathered and were begging me to keep it low. I looked at them one after the other and then I left.
You're not making sense. Girl, please, talk to me. What did you do?
I put in a dead fly inside my food.
Hey.
After eating to my satisfaction.
Hey.
Yes, I started screaming. I started shouting. You guys are wicked. Do you want to kill your customer? In fact, I'm no longer coming. They all gathered. They were just begging, Madam, please, we are sorry. We are this. Just bring down your voice. Bring down your voice. They were just begging me and the perfect scene was created.
Monica, that was one hell of a risky outing. My goodness, that is you putting yourself in harm's way. Okay, permit me to ask you this question. In what form was this fly? Cooked, boiled, roasted, or a freshly caught fly?
Exactly. Because I knew you didn't cook this fly. How was it in the food?
How can I leave logic for philosophers now? Could only drink Panadol for my own headache. I said I didn't have money. And I ate to my satisfaction.
Monica.
Yeah, the good thing is I did not pay after eating. And I was not caught. It's risky. Ha.
Baby.
That's freaking risky.
Baby, it is sharp. Give me 5. Okay, why scared?
Baby, see all this kind of words where they arrange. Where they would vote, where they would say, may you vote. As you vote, your money they go. I don't like all this kind of word. I want professional word, professional one.
Sometimes they sound like stingy person.
Yeah, my money go lost.
Shopping. Designers. Shopping.
Girl, where did you get that from? Now, Louis Vuitton be that too. Where you get the money from? You.
I follow you play before. I put my acting skills to use. The idiot was just talking anyhow like Tessy that they went from afar. Trust me, I capitalized immediately and I scammed him on 500k. $500,000. Guess not a smile.
You scam someone? Are you a fraudster? Like, wait, since when? Since when did you start this?
Since that powerful medication ruined me and got me so broke. After all, the idiot was just bragging about how he had so much money. Only 500k no go kill him now.
$500,000. Babe, but that money too much for you now. Where you want wear and put? No. Aside that, make that guy not confine you. See you one day now, arrest you.
Catch fire, catch road, they catch breeze. Like this, if I see the guy, I go deny him. I know they would like say, I don't see him for this whole life. You feel me? After all, they say, move before, get man chop. It is his word against mine. You don't understand? Last. Now guess the rule. Check out.
See, don't bring problem to this house. Because fraud is something you do not want to be doing.
Get quiet there.
But she not lie now. She not lie. No. No carry problem come. She they talk through because by the time police come in now, unless I don't know you.
Quiet there.
I know they where I go
If you
go.
want some just also, no they are not gonna give you.
You just now leave it done with that, now leave. At least you go stop to borrow my bag. See, you go do me find your own made. Buy Gucci Versace. At least you manage bring
the one where they use the original one.
I beg, Rijo.
I beg, make I hear, I beg.
This is Tessy Jones. We don't do fake over here, nigga.
Hey, hold on.
What is it?
Oh my goodness. What are you doing here?
Really?
Is this even your spirit? How do you even do this, Tessy? You just uploaded a picture from the Italian restaurant in London and you're found here at home? Please, explain to me.
Sierra, I just got back. Well, it's not like I owe you any explanation, but what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Tessy, I live in this facility and I have the right to go anywhere I choose. So, back to you. The powerful medication also got you broke. That you now have to pretend to be on vacation in London just to maintain your big girl status? Hey, my chest. Hey, I'm not done. I'm very sure you took pictures that will last you 3 years of pretended vacation the last time you traveled.
Sierra.
Yes, Tessy.
I will beat you up and I will kill you here. Nothing will happen. Sierra, before I open my eyes now, please just get out from my apartment now.
Tessy,
Get out!
Hey, not so fast. Calm down. You are so fake, Tessy. You are a complete wash. Well, how would you like the whole campus to hear that after posting a picture from the Italian restaurant in London, you found it at home?
Leave my apartment first.
No
I will
need,
slap you now.
No need for that, girl. No need. You calm down. I have a message for you from Professor Nathan. Oh my word. Well, quickly, he said I should tell you that the so-called designer suit that you got him is fake. And he left it with his secretary for you to pick up. So what are you still doing here? You go pick it up. Yes.
Sierra, just leave my apartment now. Sierra, please go. Go before I kill you. Sierra, get out now.
My darling, just calm down. Try to drink
Get out!
water. It's okay.
Just get out. Get out. Get out.
Tessy. Oh my God.
No, this is not possible. That suit was fake. Oh gosh. Why is this girl always on my case? I go kill this girl, no. I go kill Sierra. Okay. God. No, just mind your business. Put them out of your business. Okay?
girl?
Tessy, my girl.
What's up, girl?
I want to be smart, you know. You there here? One girl, they run mouth like tap for that side. They say you lie, say you go vacation and you no go anywhere. You never hear?
I know. That must be the work of my editor-in-chief. That lousy Ciara. Wait, what is even her business? She just invaded my privacy. Does she know I can sue her for that? Why did she even come here in the first place?
Okay, Tessy, what are you going to do now? You know, this can actually ruin the status you have built over the years. And maintaining this respect is not cheap.
Worry about yourself. Forget about me. I am Tess Jones. As far as I know, my father is the only billionaire in this state. And I will do anything to get my property back. You see this powerful medication, that's just it. Bounce back. By the time I bounce back, they will know I have come.
Yes, so it's either by crook or by hook. Poverty will never know space in my life. Not at all.
But see, Tessy, trust me, I'm not happy with you.
As how, what's happening?
Tessy, why didn't you wait to see the result of the powerful medication before introducing us into it?
You were desperate, girl. You needed money. You girls needed money, and I showed you the way to get money. So how is it my fault?
Why didn't you tell us about what you have been doing? Why make us part of this new experiment?
Everything that you know. Everything that you know. Everything that you just know. Both of you are ingrates. Both of you. And very soon, una soon pack on a bag. Not bag where I buy you. Ghana must go and take home. No, take more for this house. You're wicked.
I beg, It has not gotten to that. After all, I'm not even the cause of the argument. Face the person that caused it. I beg, don't involve me.
Now you're not involved.
I'm not involved.
Now you're not involved.
God will punish that woman that sold that so-called powerful medication to her. Babe, I was this close to becoming rich, but it did not last. The thunder that will fire that woman. Instead, we almost lost our lives. What are we now going to do? We need to heal and move on. We can't give up. We can't. Hey.
You're right. We are called the happening babes on campus. But we don't have shingwai in our account. We don't have money. We don't even feed well anymore. Well, maintaining a fake life is not easy.
Especially when you are dead broke. Sarah does not feel what we feel. She does not need to call for money. Money calls her. I don't know what guys see in her. See that her strong face. Really, why did Sarah do when they call her like this? Yes. I better calm down.
Look, Sarah is a nice girl. Yes, she's someone you can call a friend.
Wait, you are making me now look like the bad one. But you have said worse about her now. Anyway, me, I am not giving up until I find that thing that makes her comfortable and keeps her in constant wealth. Me, poverty must die.
Oh, let me no lie.
Poverty must die. Poverty must die. Die! Die! By fire! Poverty must die! Poverty must die!
Yeah. Hello, Mama. Waiting. Waiting now. You don't they call me since I know they pick the call. You supposed to say something they happen. Okay, why are you calling me now?
My daughter. All is not well. Your father might kill me if he hears this I'm about to tell you now.
Mama, what's happen? You don't they make me the fear. What's happen?
Your father is close to going bankrupt. He put up the house and even his businesses for collateral, hoping to get an awarded contract that will earn him 20 times the investment. But things are not going as planned.
So why are you telling me?
Because this is the first time in a long time that you're asking for financial help. My daughter, your father doesn't have any money. In fact, he's broke. See, I want you to try and help yourself in any way you can. To assist in your schooling things, please. We don't have any money here.
Mama, it's not possible. They have to be away. They have to be away. Eh? I'm just coming out. I went out since morning. I've been, in fact, Mama, nothing. They have to be away. They have to be away.
I know you can do it. Okay. And I have to go now. Please, your father is calling me. All right. Take care. My baby.
Bye-bye. God, which kind of thing is this? Eh?
Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. In contentment is all I see. So unreal personalities. Like we're together, it's what it seems. But it's so fake in totality. Yeah. Unhealthy competitions. Fetish. Undue competition. Yeah. Fetish. The lady that you got, you don't cherish. It's so fake. I see, yeah. So you all I see is jealousy.